Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to this YouTube channel. It's a real girl. What I want to talk this evening be say Nigeria women don't suffer. Why don't say Nigeria women don't suffer? Because of pick-me women with pick-me syndrome. Wetin be pick-me syndrome? Many African women, Nigerian women, black women, they get pick-me syndrome. This pick-me syndrome, now women wey be say you go fit see them for real life, you go see them for internet. All wetin they preach about na men. Everything when they decide na men. Everything wey they see say bad, they go support am for man. They go support am. If the man do am well, everything wey man do for where pick me woman dey, e good. Even that thing self, e destroy fellow woman. E go say the woman not supposed to do am like that. Na so e supposed to do am. And these pick me women, for all these years, I don't notice them. I see say they are of no good to our men. They are not doing any good to our men. These pick me women, they make a lot of men to go to their early grave. Many of them, they give advice wey no make sense to these men. They push all these men not to do anything better for their life, to stay where they are, not to change their mentality. All these years, most African men go for don't level up, wake up, follow the standard of family wey white, Latino, other countries, Asia, other countries they follow. A lot of our women go for the live fine, and most of our children go for don't level up, come on for streets. Most of our children, whether they are abandoned, go for don't go less down. Most of single mothers culture where we they breed so go for don't go down. Most of these men go for the responsible, know what they're supposed to do and what they're not supposed to do. But because of all these pick-me women, the mammies, we not fit achieve them as women. All what we they see now men of low class. Now we they see for our society. Men without no integrity, men without no respect for themselves, not to talk about the women. Now we they see for our black society. Because of all these pick-me women, when be say that they support everything way bad women they do, instead of them to destruct this behavior. Because if person they do something, you not tell them say what they do so a bad. Some men they don't know because of the mentality where they train them. Most of all these men now pick me women, now he train them. That is why when you go see most of mother-in-laws, their behavior it get as it be. Because most of the mother-in-laws they be pick me women. They be women wey be say they not get choice. They just did their own. They wait one man come pick them take. They believe say they don't marry. These pick me women when we they talk so, and they laugh other women say they never marry. Mona go marry. These pick me women so if you not quit born, now they will tell you say why you not quit born, your mate don't born finish. These pick me women so, and they chop slap, they chop beating for marriage. You know they hear fame for their mouth. They will praise their husband like say tomorrow no day. These pick me women so, now they talk say why you go mess for your husband house. These pick me women so, the tradition where all these men don't enforce, when all these men don't put into place for years, wey be say this tradition e no even favour our mother sef, not to talk of say na us you wan come favour. Na dis pick me women na dem dey enforce am. Na dem dey talk say na so tradition talk, na so tradition talk. Even some men don forget tradition for their house. Now some of all these pick me women, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, na dem dey come enforce am. Na all this type of pick me women, everything wey dem see wey dem fit take draw their fellow women down, na dem dey do. Dem no get time to look back or look front. This pick me women, na dem dey hate women wey dey shine. Most of these pick me women, they fit don marry their husband house, but they no dey happy for their husband house. So anything body when they still say it is shine or it dey try to level up, na lie, they will pull am down. These pick me women, they no dey like person wey dey shine. No, pick me women na problem wey we get for Africa. Most men na pick me women they get for us. Na it make them not amount to nothing for their life today for our society. Most pick me women, they don't draw so many men go their 6 feet. They allow so many men to do what they like without asking accountability from them. Most pick me women, when they train their pikin spoil. When they train their pikin finish, pick me women train a pikin bad. He want make another woman come carry responsibility of a pikin wey not train well. Now so pick me women they do am. You go say if you don't marry, he and she na his wife go continue for there. Pick me women no know say wife come marry. He no fit think, carry his own thinking, see they help his husband they think. Pick me women, they no sabi train their pikin, but a boy pikin to be a man. Their own if you don't marry, the wife will build them up. Pick me women, they suggest their daughter with low self-esteem. Their daughter not fit talk, their daughter not fit do anything because she be woman. That is why when you see mama of pick me, if pick me train, he get daughter will still get that pick me syndrome. Because this thing depends how they take train you. Now you will take get your mentality will still be. These pick me women, if they go beat their daughter to the extent their self-esteem go vanish. Because now that one that they call pride. Which woman who fit survive for this 2019 without no pride, without no self-confidence, without no self-worth, without no self-love? They will devalue the woman as they devalue most women for internet. So, you know, wash your body well, and so your body they smell, and so your all this talk. Who show you bone? I don't see, don't do video for internet. They talk of all this thing to their fellow women. Pick me women. When una go stop all this one, when they do so? And our country as Nigeria, too many pick me they waiting they consider make some of them they do pick me. Many of them they find husband, they find validation for internet because they know say many darky, many Nigeria men that they like this type of validation. They like all this type of women when you say if they back them for back, they feed them breast. They like this type of women when you say it be like say they raise grown men. Because if you see many Nigerian men, they emotionally immature. They're not too mature for the way when they think, the way when they behave. So they need all these pick me women to strike their ego. They like all these pick me women to they carry them put for where they are nourished. That is why they need all these pick me women, and you see that they make video. My sister, if you they look for husband, you don't need all this one. You don't need all this video of you no need to breathe, taboo to breathe, na culture. Who this una culture don help for how many years now? I see many women wey follow culture, they are miserable today. Many of them, they don replace them. Who this una culture help? We society this culture help. All many children dey street, many dirty, many dey abandon, many no get fatherly love, many no get motherly love, many men quick go their early grave because of pick-me women. Because most of these pick-me wey dey give advice, so the advice wey dey give, they no fit follow am. They don cuddle this our daki men to the extent say many of them are confused. They don't even know their role as a man, because pick-me make them believe say if they don't reach marriage, now their women go come build them. Now their woman go dey think for them. Now their woman duty to do everything as a woman. If you not do anything as a woman, your husband will take you to your father's house. Make we know as we dey give all this type of advice for internet. Abeg, this pick-me syndrome is real. Many of them dey look for husband. They believe say they come dey talk all this jabalata, they go see us. My dear, if you will pick me nowadays with daki men, the type of man wey you will get as e be, my dear. Now the low quality one, now you will get. Exactly, the low one. That is why you have to think all this your advice wanna they give pick-me women. Wanna think well. So that's why I talk this video reaching. For now, we'll still teach another time. I love all of you now. Bye bye everyone. Love you. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.